Hello guys, welcome to The Outpouring. This is something that we do every single Friday night for youth and college age. And this is just the place to where we come and we just worship God together. There's a lot of people from different backgrounds. Some people are Catholic, Baptist, Assemblies, and honestly, we don't really care where you come from. We just want to come here. It's a family. When God created the church, He did not create them just to do a bunch of stuff and come together and be bored, but He created us to actually be a family and a fellowship, and most importantly, have a relationship with Him. So we just want to welcome you every single Friday night. You can come here and not just have the church that you would think that you would have, but just have a family. So we just welcome you guys. You're going to see some people when we worship. You're going to see a lot of people that come from a lot of different backgrounds, a lot of different hurts. Some people here in our family have been set free of drugs, have been set free from addictions. And so when we worship and when we sing to God, we're not just doing it just because we know that we should. We're doing it because we're actually excited and we love God. And we know that He set us free from a lot of things. And it's more than just something that we do, it's an actual relationship. So just getting you ready so when you go back into worship or when you guys come throughout the next weeks, and if you see that, I just don't want you to get scared and just wondering why people are worshiping that way. We just are worshiping because we're really in love with God and we love each other. So we just want to welcome you, and you guys come join the family.
Here at The Outpouring, we believe a lot in community and family, being part of, make sure you belong. I personally don't have anyone here in Stockton. I live by myself, but being part of The Outpouring has helped me so much. Just being part of the church, I never feel like I'm by myself. I feel like this is my family and I do belong somewhere. So if you're looking for that place, that's something, we're not just your regular youth group, we're actually a family and we want you to be part of it. We also have life groups where we come and we separate once a month and we just get together in little groups and we just get to know each other more on like a more personal basis. We also hang out a lot with each other, we go out to the movies, we have dinner, we just really have life together, you know, and we just want you to be part of it too. So we hope that you can become part of our family.
My name is Bethany and I'm the student pastor here at Lifesong. It is such a big deal that you took time out of your week to be here at the Outpouring. Here we believe that it's not about religion, it's not just about normal church. We want to pursue a relationship. We're about deeper passion, deeper purpose, and deeper presence. Come and join us as we pursue this thing we call a relationship with Jesus. We love you and are so happy to have you here.